Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and in this video, I'm going to be giving you another Clicxads review, but what we're going to be focusing on in this video is how to easily withdraw your Bitcoin using Clicxads, because I know that's probably something that you've been thinking about. Maybe you've been watching tons and tons of Clicxads videos, and it's exciting, but you really want to know, are they actually going to give you the Bitcoin that you've been doing these simple actions for, all right? So definitely stick throughout the rest of this video. I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do it and how I actually show you. I'm going to actually be showing you proof as well, all right? So if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also, tick that bell icon if you want to learn how to build a long, sustainable business that will eventually give you the freedom you deserve. All right, so with that being said, we're going to jump right into today's content. So first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and minimize my camera. All right, so what you see right here is in one of my emails. Okay, so you can see right here it says you got Bitcoin from Clicxads. Okay, so I'm going to read this email to you, and this is actually the email that you will receive once your email has been confirmed on the actual blockchain. All right, so here we go. Dear Rakeem Madison, your requested payout of this amount right here, which you can see. I'm going to show you exactly what that amount was. So if I go over here to Preve and I go to BTC, you can see that now that is $31.93. Okay. Now I'm gonna go over here, go back over here real quick. You can see, thank you for choosing our services. Your Bitcoin has been processed. And then, of course, make sure to share your results with your team to show how powerful this program is, all right? All right, so here we go. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go over to my actual Coinbase. I'm going to refresh. Okay, so it's not going to let me refresh, so I'm going to go here to the portfolio. All right, so you can see right there, it says receive Bitcoin BTC on March 1st, 2020. So I'm going to go back over here to the email. You can see March 1st, 2020. And that said 2:13 p.m. right? And I don't think this actually has the time on it, but you can see that was on March 1st. I sent myself, let me actually go over here to the actual wallet. All right, so here we go. So you can see receive Bitcoin from the Bitcoin address within my coming over from Clicxads. You can see that 27.77. So initially when I did it, the amount that I had was $30, but you know there's fees, right? So with the fees, it came back as 27.77. So that is a confirmed payment, and it's actually in one of my portfolios here. And another thing, when it comes to Bitcoin, make sure you are diverse, right? You're not keeping all your eggs in one basket when it comes to like earning, when it comes to BTC in general, because if they're all in one basket, you could literally lose everything. All right, so that's just something I just want to point out. All right, but as I said, there's the proof that they're actually paying out, right? Because I'm a person of showing, like, I want to know if something works. So I decided, let's see if we can go ahead and get our withdrawals out, and we can. All right, so hopefully this video was actually, showed you that Clicxads is something that you could definitely take advantage of. And like I said, it's a free platform. You don't have to put your money in. They have, opportunities for you to actually put money in. You can do that, but you could also just do it for free, do the simple tasks, and earn free Bitcoin. All right. So hopefully you got some value from this video, and if you did, definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up or drop me a comment down below letting me know if you're excited about Clicxads. And with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.